Hello lovelies, welcome back to Sabby's Delics. On today's video, I want to share with you how I make Scotch egg. It's an egg wrapped in a sausage, coated with breadcrumbs, then deep fried. If you haven't had Scotch egg before, this is a staple food in a menu of a British pub and also a picnic food. You can as well serve it with your tea for breakfast, like I did mine, or you can just snack it any time of the day. It's a delicacy you should try and it's easy to make. To make this delicious Scotch egg, you need to have some eggs. If you can get some medium egg or even small ones, the better. They taste amazing. I have medium eggs here. And first step, you need to boil your eggs, and I'm just going to do so. I will be using 5 eggs. I will boil 4 and 1 I will leave for coating. Then I will fill in my saucepan with water, cold water, and add some salt. The salt isn't the work when peeling off the eggshell. Then I will boil it for 10 minutes in a high flame until it's hard. After 10 minutes, I'm going to drain the water in a sink. Then I will add cold water and some ice cubes. It also helps the eggs to peel off easily. To make the Scotch egg, you also need some sausages. So I will be using 4 sausages. My sausages are cold from the fridge. So I will peel off first. I will peel off the skin and put it aside. If you're my true fan at this point, you should know I like spicy stuff. So I'm going to spice my sausages. I don't like flat Scotch egg. So I will give them some flavors and mix them. So here I have paprika, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and cumin powder. And I also have corn flour, that is starch flour. I will mix it well until it's well combined. I'm using beef sausages, so I was not lucky to come across the ones that are spiced. They normally come in pork, but I had the beef one, so I just need to season it. And also, I will not add salt. Sausages add salt already, so I don't need to add. And I will also add some garlic. This is crushed garlic, and give it a good mix. Guys, if you are clicking my video for the first time, you are welcome. I am Sabi, and if you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So my eggs have cooled and it's easy to handle because it's not even hot. As you can see, it's peeling easily. Watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. It's very important if you want to learn how to make this Scotch egg. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that the YouTube family can recommend it to many audience. Thank you. I will use a paper towel to remove the excess moisture on the outside so that it doesn't slip. I will have some an egg, just that's just enough. Give it a whisk, and some breadcrumbs too. I made these breadcrumbs on my own and I shared the video here. You can check that video now to make breadcrumbs. And I also have some flour there. Before handling the sausages, apply some oil on your palm so that you don't get messy. Make a round shape and then flatten it. That's like that. Give your egg a light coating in the flour. Dust off an extra flour and place it in your sausage and just wrap it all through. make sure there is no space left, and make a round shape or even an oval. But then by coating your egg on the flour before wrapping with the sausage helps the sausage to stick together. You can see it's not giving me more stress because even the egg itself is not slippery inside there. Just like that, put it aside and continue with the rest. So I will show you another way that you can wrap your sausage scotch egg without messing your hands. Use a plastic wrap and just place some sausages there, and we will repeat the same process with all the eggs. First of all, you will wrap it and form a ball like shape, then flatten it with your hands or even rolling pin. Then get your egg. We will repeat the same process. Just coat it in the flour like that and dust off the excess flour. Then place it in your sausage, and with the help of the plastic wrap, just try and wrap it around. Too bad it seems like my plastic wrap is a little bit smaller, but it has managed to give me whatever I wanted. Just like that, you can see your hands are still clean. So we will do this, all of it, then we're going to coat them in a breadcrumbs. Just like that, we have a beautiful round shape and the ants are not messy. So again, we are coating again in a flour. Dust off the excess flour, dip it in your egg. Make sure every part is coated, it's well coated. Then transfer it to our homemade breadcrumbs. Don't forget to check on that breadcrumbs recipe. It's very easy. You can make it at home without using blender or any food processor. So we will continue doing this, and also have to shake off the excess breadcrumbs. We'll continue doing this until all the our eggs are well coated. Then we're going to deep fry them. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Surely, hey, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. But this Scotch egg is commonly known by most of the West Africa, especially my Oga friends, Nigeria and Ghana. Aye. Now me they think this was your own. No. Oh, Oga, oh. Go slow on British staple food. Oh. All my Scotch eggs are well wrapped, so we're going to deep fry them in a low medium heat. We want the sausages to cook well inside and out, so don't use high heat, and keep on flipping them from time to time to ensure both parts are well cooked. And you can see it's turning light golden brown. I love the color already, and the smell here, wee, it's heavenly. My kitchen smells amazing, I tell you. I wish you were here. My Scotch egg is ready. I will remove them and transfer them in a plate with a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Just look at how they're beautiful. See that. See that. Oh, now wow. Now wow. Oh, thank you guys for watching my video up to this end. And also thank you for coming back and watching my video. every time I upload a new video. You are so darling to me. And keep it right here for other videos and amazing recipes each and every day. It was nice hanging out with you guys. I will see you in my next. Let's see how our Scotch egg look from the inside. Wow, beautiful. Well cooked. Beautiful. And it tastes amazing too. The spicy neat and all that. It's wow. It's wow. I will see you. Bye.